Hey Matt, it's Mike here. It's about 8 o'clock on Tuesday night. I was here pretty late last night, but just want to make you aware that I ran into another bug with that date time screen, and also I'm having a problem assigning a variable that maybe you could give me a hand with when you get a chance. I'm going to be trying to work on these forms to get these done as soon as I can because they wanted to start testing on the 4th. But that said, I just want to show you what this is doing. What I had done was I'd added some buttons on some of these pages to help with navigation in terms of moving back and to close the screen. So these buttons are new on here. But look what's happening here. When I hit the record and I hit update date time, okay, we see this date right here, 12/31/69. It's been defaulting to that if you hit update record twice, or if you go to update a record and you're not changing the date. So let me show you. Alright, so we're just going to change both of these this time around. Works as expected. Alright, so that's good. But look, if I just change this and I leave this the same and I hit update record, it's changing this to 12/31/69 and updating the record as such. If I'm updating this record, it's fine. It's when I'm not updating the date. So let's say I'm not even going to update the time. I just hit update record and leave this the same. It's changing it. So there's a bug in there somewhere. I did look at the code, and it says something about a hidden object in here where it's storing that value. It's near the bottom. Right in here. See this line? Line 368. This is what's in there right now. So, but this hidden value, I don't know what that is. What that's referring to, that input type hidden. So if you take a look when you get a chance at what's going on with that object. And then the other thing was having some issues with my latest attempt to update the database, which is updating the incident type. I'm missing something here, and I've been so tired lately. It's probably something simple that my brain is just too fried to pick up on. It's showing the selection number 11. You can see that it carried the variable over right here in this builder report, and then it actually carried the variable over also in the parent report that the builder report is contained in. So I want to change this instance type def onsite to say def offsite. Okay, and I hit submit, and it doesn't pass it. It goes to the page where it's supposed to be passed, but the variables aren't there. So when I look at incident type page, here's the builder report, here's that object, incident type update, is that select drop down with the submit button that goes to the confirmation page, sub-IR type PHP. These are just the buttons underneath it to navigate. So when we go to the sub-IR type PHP page as a query, it's saying to update these variables. Update IR incidents, it's the table that's holding this record with the type ID and the incident ID. The incident ID is the primary key. And these should be carried over by, this is that select box, and I have a get there. I've tried it also with an F for form, and neither one of them are passing. So something's up with the variables. I don't know what. The config is set. So that's the problem I'm having right now. It's probably something simple with the variable assignment. So if you get a chance, get some free time and want to take a look at this and get back to me, let me know. I'm going to be pretty much working through the holidays, so the sooner I can get this addressed, the sooner I'll learn something that maybe I can use on something else that I'm working on. I appreciate your help, and I hope you have a great holiday with your family. Take care, man.